see. Are you saying hello to everyone? Huh? Are you? You got kitty food. You got fresh water. So, my husband's home. I thought I'd go down here while he is feeding everyone. And we would chit-chat with him for a little bit. Max? Boy? Max? He says, let me out, let me out, let me out, so I can run. Cannot walk on that driveway because you will fall. And right here where someone drove at on the side of the not driveway here is slick. So we'll come out this way. Probably have my hands cold by the end of the video, but you know, there's prints from Courtney riding Sherry today. She was roping off of her with my husband's lasso. Oh, it's gonna be sketchy me walking across this driveway. I should have thought about that. If I go down, you're all gonna feel it with me. There's Miss Jill. Getting some lovin's. She looks like she's gotten taller. Have you noticed? I said, have you noticed she looks like she's gotten taller? It's because she's growing. Look at her. She's like looking at you like, where are you going?
The hospital with old Jack with the bees. Catch her. She'll go to that one, keep him out, and then he'll go to this one, then she'll go to that one, try to get him out.
So she's learned that she can try to get her fill. She does love kisses. She likes putting her head on your shoulder or putting her head into your chest to get hugs. I just love her big ears. I would love to get a black burro. Maybe one day we'll be able to adopt another one. Maybe. Right, Lancelot? I see they need water. Probably everybody needs water. That means my husband's going to have to carry buckets. Yep, they need some water. She's definitely looking a lot better. Not so thin looking. She's starting to fill out.
Yeah. I ain't got no oats. Damn. I guess I can give them a little more time. Oh, dang. It's too expensive. This crap. Hold on, I know you want some too. Boy.
Zeus gets up.
Takes them a little longer to eat that stuff.
Yeah, because it's bigger.
It's hard and not soft like the oats.
Yeah. The oats, they just like slurp up.
Yeah, 'cause they just act like cougars. Like the
Yeah.
cougar scoopers. One spongy frozen brown.
I see they need water.
And Sherry's butt out too. There's another one on the ground.
If you don't fasten them, I think the goats like peel them off.
Stay hungry. Fun part.
Yep, my hands are already getting cold. This is like, yeah.
That's it, you're all alone.
She's like, yeah, this is nice. Till someone, I know,
Maybe she's leaving.
I'm gonna say until, no, it's just Mavis with her.
Diamond just went off of Meg.
Yeah,
Meg tried to come over and thought I was
getting a peppermint.
getting ready to get gray, and she
Oh.
just freaking ran right at her and bit her.
Mm.
Hi, her. Start of the year, he wants to be on camera.
He was talking like crazy today.
Lady, that don't bother me when I eating.
I know, right? Diamond. What you whinnying about, huh? What you whinnying about, huh? Is it because you want a peppermint? Is that what you wanted? You see, we just see you eating your grain. Yeah, we got your grain there. Yeah, Chris got her grain there. Yes, you do, pretty girl. Yes, you do, pretty girl. You got your grain there. Yeah, I don't have no more. There's no more. Hercules. I need some water too. Hi, Meg. Hi, pretty girl. What you doing? Hi, Maggie. Hi. I see you eating your grain too. Is you eating your grain? Yeah. Is eating her grain. Diamond's watching me like, what are you doing, Mom? What are you doing?
Gotta get close up, boy. 7 years. Huh? Come in and get closer. Alright. Yeah, it's okay, boy. Huh? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? It's okay. Alright. Little runny crap. There is around there. I know what that'd be from. I told you quit crapping in here, boy. Damn, boy. You got the part?
He says, sure I do. Don't you come over and bite me.
Let me get a good picture of me for the lady.
Don't bite. I'm not going to put up with biting. There's no biting. Yeah, I know. I know, you're just sniffing. No biting. Look at him trying to bite. In his full man beard. Don't you? You got a full man beard? Yes? No biting. No biting. No biting. No biting. I said, yeah. Every time I back up, he gets a little closer. Oh, I gotta go grab the door. Tripped and fell.
Okay. Yeah, that's your shit.
Wow. Now my hand's freezing.
I don't want to got clean up that boy. Me. Me. Yeah, that's right. Me. Not you. Huh? Me. Don't do it. No. Say be nice. Be nice. Huh? No. No. Okay. Say no.
So he likes to love with his teeth.
No. I'm gonna throw you around.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna wrestle you down. See? Huh? I told you. I'm gonna get you, boy. Mwah. Huh? Come on, let's back up. Come on, back up. Come on. There, boy. Good boy. Good boy.
So my husband can get away.
Still don't look back up here.
Well, it's not something they forget.
Might be a little hard. Forward. New wheels, no.
Yeah.
What, you have Jerry out here or something?
Yeah, she rode her today. Yeah, if anybody wonders where Courtney is, she's at work. Look at Meg. Man, I'm cold. I should have dressed up a little better than what I did.
Wheelbarrow on that one.
No, that's what a skid steer's for.
I don't got one.
Not yet.
Yeah, here it is. I'm coming, boy.
He says, I see.
Coming, boy.
Well, thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all the new subscribers. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Thank you for watching. We're going to end this video here. Stay safe and God bless.